Numbers from Stats Canada show Manitoba once again leading the nation, and it's not for something we can be proud of. We have the highest homicide rate of any province in the country. And as CTV's Ben Milger reports, the numbers show a stark and troubling contrast between Aboriginal Manitobans and the rest of the population.
Adeline Nippy's daughter has been gone for almost 4 years. A killer took Dominique McCann's life on this block of Selkirk Avenue in December 2011. Last week, a jury found Donald Gerard guilty of second-degree murder.
My heart was pounding. It's like, oh my God, what is it gonna be? So I was there, and then when they said the verdict, and then that's when I was like, relieved.
Many Indigenous Manitoba families share her grief. According to statistics released Wednesday, in 2014, nationally, there were 1.45 murders for every 100,000 people. Manitoba had more than twice that rate at 3.43. The city of Winnipeg had 3.29 murders per 100,000 people.
We're concerned whether it's one homicide or 25 homicides. It's concerning. We want to see that number drop to zero.
StatsCan found a startling contrast for Indigenous people in the province. In 2014, the murder rate for non-Aboriginal Manitobans was 1.41 per 100,000 people. For Aboriginal Manitobans, the number jumps to 13.29 murders per 100,000 people. Aboriginal Manitobans are more than 9 times more likely to be murdered than non-Aboriginal Manitobans.
It is hugely troublesome to see the disproportionate impact of victimization on Aboriginal peoples here in Manitoba and across the country. And that is why there has to be real directed efforts.
Manitoba's Attorney General says addressing addiction and mental health issues can help reduce the murder rate in the province. Winnipeg police also point to domestic violence as an issue driving murders.
We can't police our way out of these things. We have to get to the root issues, why individuals are making these extreme decisions.
The Liberal government in Ottawa plans to lay the groundwork for an inquiry into missing and murdered Indigenous women in the coming months. Ben Milger, CTV News, Winnipeg.
Despite having the highest homicide rate in the country again, Manitoba actually saw a decline in murders. There were 44 in 2014 compared to 51 in 2013.